he ain't moving. He's
We're covered up. Put some spray on.
Is it already there?
Oh yeah, I got there last night.
Okay.
You could actually see it arriving in the airport.
Okay.
So you couldn't really see that much. The sky all binoculars, and you can see the headlights.
Oh, it was a long way away.
Yeah, it was like a couple miles away.
When is it leaving?
It's leaving tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And then it'll be going by.
But you know what? I do like these cars.
Where is that?
For some reason.
Oh, yeah, we're work Iron right now. Over this way is where double track lines cross each other. We have like a dasher and bathroom. Yeah. Like 1,000 people. You see, I used to out long.
Is that today or that's tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Signing people up at 3:30.
Oh. So what time is it actually?
Okay.
But it'll be leaving tomorrow morning.
But I figure, you know what? 14
minutes more. I don't care.
Okay.
I would definitely.
My Mustang convertible is like killing me.
I come up here like
because
a couple
anything
of times.
bulky, I just put the top down, put it in the back seat. It was great. Yep. And now I don't have a car.
They have several wheels.
$4.99 something.
Yeah.
Yeah, the iron.
Yep. Yep. And I'm seriously thinking about getting onto the Mazda next year. That's what I thought.
Well, everybody in this line is doing that drive-through thing that we used to get out and actually observe it, right?
So I'm seriously thinking about getting out of the Mazda game later, early next year.